Well, today's the day. I've been putting it off for probably 2 years and I really shouldn't have done it. I'm getting a new roof. I know that doesn't sound exciting, but it's exciting to me. Working on derby cars and it raining inside the shop. So we have all the strapping. Steel comes tomorrow. I figured it'd be good to have a nice little time-lapse video. But as you guys can see, the roof is in horrible condition. And we're going to be putting steel on this. So no more rain inside the garage. So I guess first things first is to trim back all the shingles so that they're like, I don't know, he says it flush or just a little step back just like that. You got to do that to all four sides. Then I'm going to pick up all the shingles here and get rid of them. Then we're bringing over all the strapping and it's all going to head up there. So I can't wait. I really can't. So the reason why the roof is going on, I don't know if many of you guys know this about the inside of my garage, but it's been leaking. I got sunglasses on. You see the wet spots in the insulation? That's right, she's been leaking. So even around the chimney, I put it off for a couple years, but it really needs to get done. So this is the first step. Put steel on the roof. Let's do a little bit of a time lapse here maybe. So the other day they came up to me and told me it was too windy to put any more trim up. They were going to come over today, but it rained pretty hard this morning, so they didn't come over. But they got all the strapping done on the front, and I think they're like maybe 4 pieces of wood shy of for the back side. They got some of the trim on, but then it started snowing real bad. The wind really picked up. I think it was almost 50-kilometer-an-hour winds. So they called it a day, and then it rained this morning, but I was at work this morning, so they say they'll be coming back and doing some more, probably tomorrow. So hopefully for some good weather tomorrow, and those guys can show up. Now I'm not going to be able to film them putting up the steel, which is a real shame because I'm going to be at work. But so far I'm pretty happy. Look at all the strapping. So hopefully we can get a steel roof on here. I know you guys like time lapses, so I was kind of hoping to get it on a time lapse, but she don't look like she's going to happen that way. So let's see if we can get a little bit more updates for you here, guys, as soon as they come available on my roof. I'm kind of excited. Well, the roof is looking fantastic. Still little things that need to be done. I got snow stop going on above that door and snow stop going on above that door. I don't give a crap about this door. You still got to do the trim piece around the chimney, but other than that, it's done. Look at how nice that looks. Like I said, a little bit more to do. I still got to go up there and clean out the chimneys, but he's got to trim all the edges. So I'm going to wait till it's not chimneys, eaves troughs. But I'm going to wait till he's done doing all that for me to get up there and do it, because if I do it now, I'll have to get back up there and do it again, because he'll just fill the eaves troughs with all the cutoffs from the whatchamacallit, from the roof. So yeah, it's looking pretty damn good. There's been no leaks except around the chimney because he hasn't put the flashing up, but as soon as he's done, it's going to be fantastic. So I'm overall pretty happy. This is something that I should have done last year in 2019, but I just kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. But now that there's pretty much all the demolition derbies canceled in 2020, it's time to do it. So we might do a couple more upgrades back here, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Roof's coming along great. It looks fantastic. I wish I could have got better time lapses, but unfortunately I had to go to work. So there. Thanks for watching, guys.